Hi, this is Rochelle Roesler. New listing alert. Take a look at this Rambler. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, double garage, fenced yard, ready for new owners. Give me a call. My number is 218-979-1722. Again, this is Rochelle with Century 21. New listing alert, 218-979-1722.
Welcome to 667 557th Avenue South in the beautiful Deer Creek neighborhood of Fargo. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom Jordahl Augusta home is a new listing brought to you by Rochelle Roesler. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the home's charming curb appeal and the serene surroundings. Step inside and be greeted by vaulted ceilings and elegant custom cabinetry. The spacious living area is perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring sleek quartz countertops, modern appliances, and ample storage space. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bath. Convenience is key with main floor laundry. The fully finished basement offers a perfect space for entertaining or relaxing, providing additional room for your family's needs. Step outside to a deck and patio, ideal for summer barbecues and outdoor gatherings. Enjoy the privacy of a fenced yard, perfect for pets and children. This home is designed for both comfort and style, offering plenty of space for everyone. With modern amenities and beautiful finishes, it's ready to become your new home. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the best of Deer Creek living. For more information or to schedule your private showing, call me Rochelle Roesler. Call 218-979-1722 at Century 21 FM Realty today for a partnership built on trust and excellence.